Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to suspend scheduled posts in Hootsuite. To find the option of suspending scheduled posts, click into your profile pic here on the bottom left. It will then extend the tab and provide you more choices. Click into Suspended Content here, plastered at the top. Now because this account has a single organization to its name, it immediately picked into the only organization. Read the details carefully here at the front in case you need to know more about how suspension works. Once you're done, please provide a compelling reason as to why it's being suspended. There could be various reasons, such as brand misstep or even just a simple mistake. Once you're done with the reasons, then you can proceed to suspend. Now, if in the case the issue has been resolved, you can still check into here and then immediately resume the postings again without any complicated process. And that's how to suspend scheduled posts in Hootsuite.